Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today, I feel like having fun and playing with some color. So, we are going to do I'm thinking a blue-green look with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just because there's so many fun colors in here and I don't get to play with them all that often. So, we're just gonna jump right into the video. Alright guys, starting off we are going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. We're going to use that as an eyeshadow base. And just going to blend that out with a brush. And we're going to set that with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium. Now that we have our base on, we're just going to get going with the eyes. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is going to be this bright blue color right here, so we're just gonna go for it. And we're gonna take that and we're gonna blend it in the crease. This eyeshadow look is gonna take some blending. So I have that light blue shade blended out where I want it for now, and just to blend some edges a little more, I'm going to take this lightest shade over here and I'm going to just buff that on the top. Just to blend the edges really well. Next, I'm going in with a pencil brush, and the next shade I'm going to dip into is going to be this green shade down here, and I'm just going to focus that in the crease and the outer corner. And I have that placed in the crease in the outer corner, and I'm just going in with that first blue shade just to blend the edges a little better. I look crazy right now. So I have just been building up that dark shade in the crease and blending out with some more blue. This is the point in the makeup process when I start to question myself. So we're gonna blend and build some more color later, but right now what I want to do is take that concealer that we used earlier, the Maybelline one, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to carve my crease out. I have carved my crease out, and I'm just going to go in with that pencil brush we used with the dark green shade, and I'm going to take a little bit more of that and buff it on the outer corner to blend a little bit, and then also bring it into my crease some more. Next, guys, I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to pat into this shade right here, the emerald green color, and I'm going to pat that kind of on the outer corners and like the center of my lid. Now with the semi-clean ring finger, I'm going to go in to this beautiful teal shade here in the corner, and I'm going to press that in the inner corners and then kind of blend it towards the outside. I am just going back in with the dark green shade, the matte color, and doing some final blending on the outer corner and bringing it in. And going back in with that first color, the light blue, and blending some more. This look is a lot of blending. I think that looks pretty good for now. I'm going to slap on a wing, come back with some liner and lashes and mascara, all the good stuff, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and I have lashes on and mascara and some winged eyeliner, and I'm actually just going to hop right into doing my face, and I will list all the products that I use below, but I'm just going to speed through it, so have fun watching.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Alright, so I have my face all done, and we're going to finish off the eyes now. And with that, I'm going to take that pencil brush we used earlier with the dark green color, and I'm just going to dip back into it. Just the tiniest bit. And I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line, connecting it all the way from the back to the inner corner. Once we have that color there, I'm going to take that fluffy brush that we used earlier with that brown shade, and I'm going to dip back into this one and just gonna blend that out. And for an intense eye look, you need an intense inner quarter and brow highlight. So I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and for that I'm going to mix these first two top shades. I'm going to pop some of this black eyeliner from LA Girl, the Glide On Liner, onto my top and bottom waterline. And I'm going to pop some mascara on my lower lashes. And last but not least, some setting spray. And guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This is a little more color than I normally go for. I was a little worried there for a second with the first couple shades on, but I think it turned out pretty well. And it's a super fun look. I would go out with this look, go get some drinks, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.